Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close all tabs on Safari on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Safari app. Long press the tabs icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the Close All Tabs option. Finally, tap on the Close All Tabs option again to confirm and close all tabs on Safari on your iPhone. And this is how you can close all tabs on Safari on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.